Good morning, everyone. Today we are entering a new topic, which is a heart of gold. Basically, makna dia berhati mulia. Um, so today we are just going to do some reading because I want you to improve your reading skill, and also there will be a little bit of writing. It's not much because you have done it previously, but I just want you to revise that skill again. Alright, so let's read this. A Heart of Gold fundraising event, cupcake eating contest, venue, Community Hall, Kajang Selangor, date 20 May 2021, time 9 a.m. Categories, there are three, which are bronze, silver, and gold. 7 to 11 years old, and for silver, 12 to 15 years old, gold, 16 to 18 years old. The entry fee would be RM 10 ringgit. So the prizes for the first place, 150 ringgit, second, 100 ringgit, and the third place would be RM 50 ringgit. All proceeds will be donated to Mercy Orphanage. Don't miss the opportunity to donate to the needy. For more information, visit www.seracakes.com.my.
Alright, now we are going to take a look at the question. So the question asks, would you join the contest, this contest, cupcake eating contest? Would you join that contest? There can only be one answer. Very obviously, when you have this type of question, you can only choose whether yes or no. But you should answer yes. You should always choose the answer that can come to a positive outcome. So here we choose yes because when I say why, immediately you have to write down because. Yes, because what? I want to help the needy, or because all proceeds will be donated to Mercy Orphanage. That you cannot just copy that. Okay, you have to restructure the sentence, rearrange the word. You can say yes because I love eating cupcake and at the same time I want to help the needy. Or yes because I want to help the orphanage. Make it simple. If you join the contest, how do you plan to win it? So remember, this is the eating contest. That one depending on your own creativity. How do you plan to win an eating contest? Would you eat the topping first? Or would you eat without non-stop or don't drink any water? So it all depends on your creativity on how you're going to answer that question. And the last one, this is also a hot question. If you win, what would you do with the prize money? So remember, make sure that your answer is always in a positive. Your answer must always be positive. You cannot say something that is negative. So make sure that your answer is positive, and then number two, that it is relevant. Okay. If you win, what would you do with the prize money? So you can say that I would donate, or I would keep the money, or I would spend the money on what? Something that is good, not something that is bad. Okay. I would donate the money to the needy children. I would keep the money in my saving account. So it depends on your answer. But do remember, if you want to answer this type of question, you should make it into a positive and relevant answer. Don't say something that is very bad, like I would use the money um to go to the CC to play on video games. That one is not really appropriate. It makes sense, but it's not really appropriate. Usually, you are advised to give a positive and a relevant answer.
Alright, moving on. Let's read this conversation together. Yeah. So when I'm reading, don't just listen to me. You can listen to me the first time, but after that, please read along with me. Listen to the conversation between Kamini and the manager of Cerakix. So the yellow, the sentence highlight in yellow is the manager, and the one in blue is Kamini. Hello, Cerakix. How can I help you? Hi, my name is Kamini. I would like to enter the cupcake eating contest. That's wonderful, Kamini. Have you visited our website? No, I haven't, but I would like to know more about the contest. Sure. What would you like to know? Can my siblings take part in the contest? Yes, the contest is divided into three categories: bronze, silver, and gold. Is there an entry fee? Yes, it's RM 10 ringgit for each category. Can we donate items to the orphanage? Definitely. You can donate either books or toys. The children would appreciate any additional contributions. Thank you. You're welcome. Don't forget to visit our website www.seracakes.com.my. See you at the event. Okay, let's read it again. Oh, by the way, the manager is not the one only highlighted in yellow. I think only the first sentence for each character's dialogue they highlight in yellow. Okay, ready? Let's read it together. One, two, three. Hello, Sarah Cakes. How can I help you? Hi, my name is Kamini. I would like to enter the cupcake eating contest. That's wonderful, Kamini. Have you visited our website? No, I haven't, but I would like to know more about the contest. Sure. What would you like to know? Can my siblings take part in the contest? Yes, the contest is divided into three categories: bronze, silver, and gold. Is there an entry fee? Yes, it's RM 10 ringgit for each category. Can we donate items to the orphanage? Definitely, you can donate either books or toys. The children would appreciate any additional contributions. Thank you. You're welcome. Don't forget to visit our website www.saracakes.com.my. See you at the event. Alright, now this question, complete the table with information based on the conversation. So categories, there are three categories, which are bronze, silver, and gold. So this is the answer for this part. And type of contribution. Okay, here. You can donate either books or toys. And then what else? Can we donate item to the orphanage? Yes, you can donate either books or toys. The children will appreciate any additional contributions. So, types of contribution, you can put here books, toys, and money. How do I know that it is money? Because from the previous the info that you read just now, it mentioned that all proceeds will go to the orphanage. So the contact information, it has been repeated so many times. It is this one, www.seracakes.com.my. Okay. Should contests be used to promote charity events? See, again, you have to start with yes or no answer. And the answer would be yes, because. Macam mana cikgu tahu nak guna because? Sebab immediately dia letak why lepas ni definitely kena guna because. Yes, because. You think why should contests be used to promote charity events? Okay, for me it is easy lah. To attract people. If you have another relevant answer, then you can share with me. What are other ways to encourage people to donate to the less fortunate? What are other ways to encourage people to donate to the less fortunate? Okay, so question number 2, this is quite difficult. Ni kebat yang sangat tinggi. Apa cara lain untuk menggalakkan orang untuk menderma kepada orang yang kurang berkemampuan? So usually we can say that it is because people, they don't know about it. They don't know that these people, they are less fortunate. So for me, in my opinion, one of the ways should be making people know about it, to inform people about it. So prepare a platform to inform people about your project or about your program to help the less fortunate people so that it is more known to others. If you were the person in charge of Mercy Orphanage, how would you use the funds collected from the event? Okay, so if you are in charge of the orphanage, how would you use the money? Let's say from this eating cupcake event, you can gain about 3,000 ringgit. Okay, so when you have that 3,000 ringgit, how are you going to use it for the Mercy Orphanage? So some of the things that we can say, this is quite easy. You can repair any broken things, or you can say that you can buy the basic needs. Do you know what is the basic needs? Basic needs are the thing like the food, the clothes, the books, what kids need. Alright? Okay. Okay, we did this in your previous activity. We use time sequences. We have first, next, then, after that, finally, or you can also use secondly, thirdly, or lastly. It depends on you. Okay, so I am just recalling this for you because after this you're going to use another information to write about another recipe. So I want you to practice using the time sequences. So I repeat again, first, next, then after that, finally. Or you can also replace the second step, which is next, with secondly, or the third step with thirdly. Technically, it's not necessary for you to use next after first. You can use first and then or after that, because all of this it means selepas itu, next selepas itu, then also selepas itu, after that also selepas itu, finally means akhirnya. But if you say that if you want to use secondly and thirdly, it means yang kedua, langkah yang kedua dan langkah yang ketiga. So secondly and thirdly, both of these are quite specific. But first, next, then after that, finally, I would love if you can practice using this word. Why? Because you can use this word when you are writing your story. It helps when you are writing your story. So here is an example. First, I break the eggs. Next, I heat the butter in a pan. Then I add the eggs. After that, I bake the eggs. Finally, I eat the omelette with toast. This is a different spelling of omelette. This is not the correct one, okay? But this is just an example. This is a picture I took from Google Image. So,
Alright, so this is the exercise that I want you to do. Let's read. Kamini is planning to make cupcakes for her visit to a home for the elderly. Here is the recipe she used. Okay, 110 gram butter softened, 110 gram caster sugar, plain flour, 2 medium eggs, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, teaspoon salt, chocolate sprinkle. Okay, so here the steps are already here, as you can see, but this is not written in paragraph. It is just in point form. So let's read the steps. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Line a muffin tin with paper cups. Put the butter and sugar in a bowl. Beat until light and fluffy with an electric mixer. Sift the flour, baking powder and salt into the bowl. Sift the flour, baking powder and salt into the bowl. The eggs and vanilla in a separate bowl. Then add to the mixture. Fold until it is combined. Spoon the mixture into the paper cups. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Remove from the oven. Cool for 10 minutes. Transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. Put chocolate sprinkles on the cupcakes. Again, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Line a muffin tin with paper cups. Put the butter and sugar in a bowl. Beat until light and fluffy with an electric mixer. Sift the flour, baking powder and salt into the bowl. Beat the eggs and vanilla in a separate bowl. Then add to the mixture. Fold until it is combined. Spoon the mixture into the paper cups. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Remove from the oven. Cool for 10 minutes. Transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. Put chocolate sprinkles on the cupcake. So all you have to do is recall the sequences earlier. Join the sentence together. How to join sentences? the basic one, you can use and. And then don't forget the sequences. So you can start with firstly, preheat the oven to 180 degrees and line a muffin tin with paper cups. You see what I did there? I used firstly and then I joined two sentences using and. So please write this down in your essay, in your logbook, or you can write it on your kertas kaza. Take a picture of it, send it to me, and I will try to check it for you. If you have any questions, please text me personally. Alright, thank you.